Zhejiang JIADELE Technology Company, Limited is located in Haining City, Zhejiang Province. Our building area is 70,000 square meters. JIADELE has been focusing on the hot water industry for 23 years. Our company currently has solar water heating business department and air source heat pump business department. Solar water heater department has 2 advanced production lines. The main products are solar water heaters and solar collectors. Air source heat pump department specializes in the production of household, commercial hot water air source heat pumps, northern heating air source heat pumps, household, commercial swimming pool heat pumps, household, commercial ultra-low temperature heat pump for hot water and heating, cooling and heating, and DHW heat pumps, etc. The annual sales value is more than 300 million RMB. 80% products are exported to more than 50 countries in the world. JIADELE foreign trade sales ranked number 1 in the national solar industry from 2015. These years, JIADELE Solar Water Heater Department has passed EU mandatory CE certification, EU Solar Keymark 12975 12976 certification, USA SRCC certification and Korea KS certification, etc. Air Source Heat Pump Department has passed the National Compulsory 3C certification, EU Mandatory CE certification, EU ROSE certification, EU Energy Efficiency a Triple Plus standard, Australia SAW certification and other national compulsory certification. And our company obtained ISO-9001 to 2015 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 to 2015 Environmental Management System certification and ISO 45001 to 2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. The company has applied for more than 100 items of national patents. Our company is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in researching and development, production and marketing of solar water heater and air source products. Zhejiang Export Famous Brand, Zhejiang PIN Label Certification, Zhejiang Science and Technology Small and Medium Enterprise Certificate. Our company provides solutions for customers in household, commercial hot water, heating and cooling systems projects. The company has established a solar product testing and research center and an ultra-low temperature air heat pump laboratory. This center has been rated as a provincial level R&D center in Zhejiang Province. Its ultra-low temperature air source heat pump laboratory has been recognized as a level 2 laboratory by Intertek's satellite program and has become a strategic partner, as well as a laboratory recognized by SGS Standard Technology Company. With the goal of hot water life expert, the company constantly applies new materials, new processes and new technologies to ensure the perfect enjoyment of JIADELE, excellent quality and make our contribution to global energy saving and emission reduction.